Okay guys, early morning and looking at my bull account. Just had a quick flick over, see what the economic calendar's doing, and let's see what's happening here. A little bit behind me at the moment, but not really fussed. Just pull that into shot. Pull that down. I only need to do a couple of quid. Just drop it down onto a watching chart, which is 15-minute. And set the target just to push up, clip, and done. Now I've already done what I need for this month. Don't really need to do any more because I've already hit target. In fact, I'm £5.34 ahead of target. We did have a bit of an error yesterday, but it all worked out in the end, which is the main thing. And on our little account here of sort of 500 quid we're up to now, which started at 200, we put 60 quid onto it. That's a huge growth in anybody's book. Let's put my lights on. So, oh boy, that's a bit bright this morning. And it's a massive growth for anybody. So I'm quite happy with how this is working. Put it in. Oh, there we go. Bollocks, missed it. Just a little quick push up to 250. And we should be good. Let's have a look. Come on. Would you Adam and Eve that? Literally just on the cusp while I was talking to you lot. And I've missed it. Pooh. Drop that down into 5 minutes so we can see exactly how close that thing got. It is still pushing, so we are right on it. Right on the clip. Oh, there it goes. Come on. Get it up. There we go. I think that's about 180. Well, it's 188. Clipped it. Not to worry. But I'm not worried. Because all I wanted was 254, but I'm well ahead of the game. So I'm not that fussed. Anything that I do is just bonus at the moment. 96. 5. We're in it there. 188. And today was the same principle as what I'm doing there, but we're long today because gold's on a rally, but I'm being really careful with it because it's right at the top of the tree. I was looking for the morning surge, and when it's at the top of the tree like that, it does become pretty dangerous, because if you get it wrong, which obviously you can, and you can get it wrong very quickly, you'll know about it. And not only will you know about it, it'll hurt you badly. So that's it. I just flipped the camera on because I was on doing it. You might be interested, might not be interested, but it's how to grow accounts, slow and steady. One trade at a day. Just let it get on, hit your target and walk away. I'll get more into it on a whiteboard, but that's essentially how to trade. Catch you in a bit, guys.